welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I will show you how to remove this AV cable broken inside the speaker, TV receiver or any other device. So you can see here is broken. So I have a safety pin and a lighter. So first I have to make it hard, the safety pin. You have make it red color and then put it inside the AV cable broken and wait for 10 seconds or 20 seconds. When you can see the plastic is make strong, and then you take it out, you can see like this, and second one also same this way, make it hard. This is a speaker, a studio speaker is broken, the AV cable, this eiox audio in line in. Also this one put inside and wait for 10 and 20 seconds, and then press it out and the broken AV cable come outside. You can see. Thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you.